How to get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. So before getting started, make sure that you've updated the Snapchat application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open up your Snapchat application. So after you open up your Snapchat application, in the top left corner of your screen, tap on the bitmoji or the profile icon. So after you tap on your profile icon, on the other page, slightly scroll down and then tap on my friends. So after you tap on my friends, and on the other page you will find a list of people that is considered as your best friend list. So if you're frequently exchanging snaps on Snapchat, then the person will be automatically added on your best friend list. So there is no such direct method on how you can get someone off your best friend list. So in order to get someone off your best friend list, what you can do is you can follow the simple step, or you can follow this alternative method. So the first method, what you can do is you can stop sending snap or exchanging snap on Snapchat, and then the person will be automatically removed from your best friend list. Now this might be actually a time consuming, it might take a day or even a week. So what you can do is, other than that, if you are not patient enough, then simply what you have to do is tap on the bitmoji. So after you tap on the bitmoji, on the other page will be directed into their profile page, and over here what you have to do is you simply have to tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner of your screen. So after you do that, tap on manage friendship right over here. So after you tap on manage friendship, then all you have to do is you can either block this contact or you can simply tap on remove friend. Then the person or the contact will no longer be on your best friend list. So those were the few methods on how you can get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. So that is how you can get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.